He was born with nothing. No money, no connections, no shortcuts. Just a dream and a burning desire to change his life. Every morning, while others slept, he woke up early, chasing opportunities no one else could see. People laughed at him, doubted him, and told him to quit, but he kept going. He worked day and night, failed again and again, lost everything multiple times, but every failure made him stronger, smarter, and more determined. He learned, adapted, and pushed forward. One day, everything changed. His hard work paid off. The same people who once doubted him started praising him. He built a life he once only dreamed of, not because he was lucky, but because he never gave up. Remember, your story can change too. No matter where you start, what matters is how strong you stay. Like and subscribe for more motivational stories.